From San Diego to Los Angeles, a day packed with family, food, and iconic stops. We're chasing movie history at the Fast and Furious House, honoring Kobe at the Staples Center, and tasting Filipino street food at Dollar Hits. Join us as we explore LA in one unforgettable day. Welcome to part one of our adventure.
Good morning guys! Papunta kami ngayon sa LA but stop over muna kami sa San Clemente. 9 o'clock pa lang ng umaga ngayon. May hinihintay kami kaya nag-stop over muna kami dito. Maganda maglakad-lakad dito pag umaga, lalo na pag maaraw. Maganda mag-jogging dito.
Nag-stop over lang kami dito sa San Clemente kasi papunta na kami ng LA. Siyempre, mamimiss namin itong lugar na to. Ganda kasi.
Dadaan kami ulit sa Montage. Doon na kami makikita ng mga pinsan ni Chris. Mamimiss namin itong place na to. See you next time, San Clemente. Nandito na naman kami sa paboritong lugar ni Chris. Hindi, sabi niya, lilipat naman siya dito eh.
Ako GFL dito. Benta mo bahay. Waste management.
One last look at the Montage, then we will be heading to LA. We're almost at LA. So, ang first stop namin ay yung bahay ni Toretto sa Fast and the Furious. Welcome to LA. We're going to the house of Dom.
Dom and Paul Walker.
Ito yung bahay sa Fast and the Furious.
Ito yung bahay talaga nila.
FYI, hindi pwede pumasok sa loob, hanggang sa labas lang. Yan yung house sa in front ng red pickup. Nilagyan na nila ng bakod ang bahay. A few steps away from the house is Toretto's Market and Cafe. Pa-picture muna kami dito sa sign ng historic Filipino town bago kami pumunta sa Urban Lights. Hi guys, we are here sa Urban Lights, one of the tourist destination here in LA. And we're here at Urban Lights right now in LA, and one of the residents here is Pao Santos. Can you tell us what is Urban Lights represents?
Okay, so Urban Lights is a contemporary art piece restored in 2008. It's made up of over 202 street lamps that were from the 1920s and 1930s. It's now one of the most iconic public spaces here.
Wow.
Yeah.
And can you tell us what's behind this Urban Lights?
So behind the Urban Lights, there's the David Geffen Gallery, and to the side is the actual museum.
Oh. And they're being you have to pay for the museum, right?
Yes. Although it is free for some days.
Okay, so thank you, Paul, from
No
LA.
problem.
Say hi!
FYI, across the street is the Peterson Automotive Museum. So that's it for Urban Lights. Now we're heading to Crypto Arena. Hi guys, we are now here at Crypto Arena in Los Angeles, home of the Lakers. Mukhang may laro yata ngayon eh. We're gonna watch the Lakers.
Yes!
Yeah, from outside. This is the home of the Lakers, Sparks, and Kings. Ito yung pinunta namin dito, yung statue ni Kobe Bryant. Mahaba yung pila para lang magpa-picture dito. We suggest na pumunta kayo na maaga dito. So ayan, nakita na namin si Kobe. So pwede na kami mag-dinner sa Dollar Hits. Welcome to Dollar Hits. It's a Filipino street food restaurant famous here in Los Angeles. Dito lang ako nakakita sa LA ng ganito. Pero alam ko marami sa US eh. Sa Canada walang masyadong ihaw-ihaw. Kailangan mo pang pumunta ng US or umuwi sa atin para lang makatikim na ito. Para rin siyang maliit na sari-sari store. Ito yung mga menu nila at saka yung kada stick it's $1.50 ang isa. Sa mga ganitong lugar na mafe-feel mo talaga na parang nasa Pinas ka. Dito sa Dollar Hits, ikaw yung magluluto ng pagkain mo. Naka-prepare na yung ihawan para sa inyo.
Sugar yan. Alam na nakikita ko rin yung gagawin no? Wala man, di ba lagi yung request ko? Isang rekwa. Isang drum.
Okay ba? All in all, masarap naman yung pagkain at maganda yung atmosphere. At dito na nagtatapos ang aming part 1 ng LA trip. Abangan nyo yung part 2 sa susunod. At again, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
From San Diego's coast to LA's city lights, what a ride. Good food, good spots, and even better company. That's what travel's all about. See you in part 2.
Hi, my name is Sally. Please like and subscribe to the two Canadian travelers, John and Chris. Go, go, go!